Welcome to Flick Tactics Week 4 updates. There are 16 more weeks to go, and let's see the additions and changes for this week. Rockley added world map music, and he also added a WebM format, which is you can say much more compressed. He actually mentioned draft in the commit, and I honestly believe that world map is music is really good, and yeah, it's good to go. Finally, someone tried to do the character art. Ashley, Morris, thank you very much. I was just avoiding the character art. I just don't know how to go with it. And there's the character art, as you can see on the right side. Yeah, it's pretty neat. I think it just needs some more details and just a little bit cleanup, and I think it's good to go. Tajab character art is also under process, which is good. That's really awesome work. Thank you, Ashley. And Justin Chin updated tutorial map for terrain advantage, for demonstrating terrain advantage. That is basically if a unit is in a forest, it will have more defense points as compared to if it is on a plane. And then he also set some unit placement. And then Crayford added a question mark animation first frame, which you can see on the right side as well. And I think Crayford misunderstood the task. It was a question mark face art, the dialogue one. When there is someone you don't know, right? And he's talking in the dialogues, he will come up as question marks, and his face art will come as a question mark art rather than Jonah, which is a mysterious character we will be revealed later on. And if I have to like have some talk between Hulu and Jonah display, the Jonah won't display its face. It will be a question mark. I have done very little because I was busy in doing game jam stuff, right? So yeah, I will show you the game in the end. Dialogue system done. Mission work in progress, and BGM audio transitions. Now there is audio transition, and as well a big issue is fixed. That is some kind of graphical glitches because the tiles were like together, and I just put 1 pixel gap in all of them. So yeah, so it's playtime. There is not much to display, but of course there's stuff. All right, now I click, and there it is. Right, great, it's running. And now if I click on click campaign, notice the transition. Yes, and then this is the world map music by Rockley, really good. Welcome to, this is the dialogue system that I worked on, and yeah, there it is. The dialogues are running, and the world map is also going on. Also, if you notice, there are no longer dirty bad pixel edges around these units, and all the units inside the campaign as well. All right, we have to just skip it by clicking it. These dialogues are from Justin Chin, by the way. See, the units don't have bad pixels at the edges, which is such a big issue. It was such a annoying thing, but now it's fixed. Next week we are going for pretty much the same stuff: gameplay overview, stats display, unit path finding, A-star algorithm, enemy movement AI, and for the art we have mech animations, Zareem standing character art, which is work in progress, generic soldier character face art, and yeah, there is nothing for design and audio as of now. So yeah, thank you for the contributions and for watching the updates. This is the game jam game that I was working on this entire weekend, and I just published it like few hours ago. So yeah, thank you.